Struggling to choose between your favorite rich brownies and chewy chocolate chip cookies? There is a delicious solution that combines both worlds into one irresistible treat. Brookies, short for brownie cookies, are an innovative dessert mashup that brings together the best of two classic baking traditions into a single bar. The construction is simple yet effective. A layer of soft, chewy cookie dough sits on top of a dense, fudgy brownie batter before being baked to perfection. Unlike generic bars, true Brookies offer distinct textural contrast with a rich bottom layer and a soft top, making them the perfect choice when you cannot decide. To elevate this already delicious combination, bakers often add a final touch by drizzling hot fudge over the warm cookies to create an indulgent experience. This hybrid dessert is part of the modern emotion cookbook trend, designed to provide comfort food that satisfies multiple cravings simultaneously in one bite. Whether you are looking for a quick snack or a special treat, the Brookie proves that combining your favorite desserts results in something even more satisfying than either alone. Now you know exactly what makes a Brookie so special. Have you tried making this hybrid dessert at home? Tell us your favorite flavor combination in the comments below.